In terms of packing, you're well traveled. So I want to know what's one thing you always pack no matter the destination?
Very good question. I bring my red light, little compact light everywhere I go, whether if I'm on my moon and I need something to warm or I have an injury or it's also good for your face. It's just that nice little infrared light does so much. And I've had clients that come on my retreat who've injured their knee and I give them the red light therapy. And it's small, it's compact, but it's really, really helpful in so many situations. Also, my travel Theragun, my massage gun. Oh my gosh, it's a lifesaver when you're sitting for hours on a plane and you just get that little Theragun out and you just massage your back for 5, 10 minutes on the plane. Such a lifesaver. And I always have that on my carry-on.
Love that. That's actually a great idea for even like blood clotting. If you want to pound your calves a little bit and just kind of work out your muscles and get your blood flow going, that's a great idea. Now, to just close my little section on travel tips, I want to know what's a travel mistake you've made that you will never repeat because now you know.
Oh man. Well, there have been so many that now I've become all the wiser. So let me just think, okay, you know what? One thing that I now is a non-negotiable for me. Well, two things. Constantly making sure I booked the right date and time because there's 3 times now where I've booked like the wrong year or the wrong month for some random reason. And I'm like, wait, how did I do this?
Uh,
And it's a non-refundable ticket because it's just one from, going from one short city to another. And I'm like, that no. So now I've become obsessed with making sure that it's the right date, the right time, the right airport. You have to triple check that to make sure it's the right airport because there's also times where I'm like, wait, this isn't the airport I'm supposed to be at. That actually happened on the last trip in Mexico. And my partner looks at me and he's like, are you serious? And I was like, I'm so sorry.
so funny because so many people do that. And I have terrible attention to detail. So yeah, I've got to look at it, look away, look at it again, look at it. Like my fingers shaking next to the purchase button. I'm like, is this right? Sometimes I even make my husband come over here. Look at this. I'm leaving this day and that day. Does this say the day that I just said? And he's like, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. You
But
can't book it when you're tired.
yes, it's literally so true. I'm thinking of all the times I've literally done that. And it's been so bad, but so funny.
It's so funny. And then my friend, I mean, there was one time where I booked it for the wrong year, and I texted my girl that helps me sometimes arrange cars, and she's like, "Why are you having me arrange this for next year?" And I was like, "What? It's supposed to be for next week." And then and she's like, "It says like this year." And I'm like, "What?"
Yeah. Oh man.
Because
Yes.
I'm responsible.
It's
Yes,
always great to check that.
always triple, quadruple, have someone else look at it. Like literally, it just to save you just so much pain and suffering. Just always quadruple check.